guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Adele and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a vision board. So I'm super excited about this. I've been wanting to make a vision board for a while now, and now that it's like finally the beginning of a new year, I feel like I can finally do it. A vision board is basically like a mural of like not necessarily your favorite things, but things that you want to accomplish and attract into your life for the upcoming year. So it's like the things you see where you like cut out pictures from like magazines or print out pictures online or something, basically of like your ideal life. So this kind of ties in with manifestation and the law of attraction and attracting the things that you want in life. So basically for the last month or two I have been making a Pinterest board on Pinterest of pictures that I found that are kind of things I want to attract and like implement in my life in 2018. So again, it's not really just things you like, but things that you want to attract into your life. So once I make this, I have it on a cork board instead of, you can do like a poster board. I have it on a cork board. I want to keep it up somewhere that I can see it, just so that you're like constantly reminded of your goals and the things that you want to bring into your life this year. I've never made one of these before. I'm really excited about it. Also, I apologize for the background. I'm currently back home for the break and we're in the process of moving, so everything's kind of a mess, so just ignore that. But yes, I'm going to be showing you how to make a vision board. Again, I've never made one before, so it's going to be a learning process, I guess. Can't be too hard though. I have my stuff that I'm using and the pictures that I've printed out, and yeah, we're just gonna get started. So for the supplies you're going to need, I have these cork boards, cork tiles. There's 4 in this package, but you can use like a poster board or anything like that. I just wanted to do this because it felt a little more durable. And then I have some pins just to put the pictures on. Again, you can probably use tape or glue if you're using a poster board, and then just have your pictures that you want to use and print out. So these are all from Pinterest. I've had like a Pinterest board of things that I want to include on this. So I printed them out and now I'm just going to cut them out. Oh wait, also I have scissors right here. Okay, scissors. Make sure you have scissors to cut your pictures out. Okay, so I have all of my pictures cut out, and so now I'm going to go ahead and open up the cork boards. So I just opened up the cork boards. There's 4 of them, and they're pretty thin and flimsy. They smell kind of weird too, but they came with these like glue strip things. I guess that it's to put them on the wall, so that's pretty nice. I'm gonna set those aside for now, and I'm going to be only using one cork board, and I'm going to go ahead and put my pictures on the cork board. Okay, so I have my cork board ready. I have my pictures and the tacks or pins, whatever you want to call them. Really don't want to spill these everywhere. So I'm going to go ahead and figure out how I want to arrange these, and just to show you guys a few examples of things you can put on your corkboard. I have 2018, just in case I want to use that. This is a quote I really like. This is a quote, I put it in my January spread in my bullet journal as well. I think it's kind of like my motto for this year, so I really like that. My physical space is really important to me, and I really want to like have a good desk setup, I guess, like just a good workspace area this year. So I want to be able to travel more this year. I want to be able to afford a camera. I want to get a really nice camera this year. That's something I'm really trying to do. I want to eat healthier, same with this. I want to work out more. That's just kind of like the body type I want, I guess. So I do embroidery, and so this is for, I want to be better at embroidery and just do more projects involving that this year. I want to write more, I want to read the Bible more, and just get deeper spiritually. I want to have again, this has to do with kind of my physical environment. I also want more plants this year. So I'm just gonna go ahead and figure out where I want to put these. So I think I have it set up the way I want it to be, so I'm gonna go ahead and start putting in the pins. Okay, so I'm dumb. I started using the pins, but they go out farther because the corkboard is thin. I'm gonna go ahead and use these. I'm so sad I got all of these pins specifically for this. So I hope I have enough. So I just finished it. This is what it looks like. I am very excited about it. I think it looks super cute. I can't wait to go back home and hang this up somewhere or put it on my desk just so I can see it all the time and be reminded of the goals that I want to accomplish this year. It's so cute! I love it! I hope you guys enjoyed this video and get a good idea of how to make your own vision board, and I hope it helps you throughout this year. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video.